Ablution, also known as Wudu in Islam, is a ritual purification process that Muslims perform before certain acts of worship, such as Salah, prayer, or handling the Quran. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform ablution properly in Islam. 1. Begin with the intention, Niyyah, before starting ablution. Make a sincere intention in your heart that you are performing it to purify yourself for worship. This intention should be made in your heart and not spoken aloud. 2. Say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Begin by reciting Bismillah, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to invoke Allah's blessings. 3. Wash your hands. Start by washing both hands up to the wrists 3 times. 4. Rinse your mouth. Take a small amount of water in your right hand and rinse your mouth 3 times while moving the water around. Do not swallow the water. 5. Clean your nose. Use your right hand to sniff water into your nostrils 3 times and then blow it out using your left hand. This is called nadmata. 6. Wash your face, with both hands. Take water and wash your face 3 times, from the hairline to the chin, and from ear to ear. 7. Wash your arms. Start with the right arm, washing it from the fingertips up to and including the elbow 3 times. Then, repeat the same for the left arm. 8. Wipe your head. Wet your hands and wipe your head once, moving them from the front to the back of your head and then back to the front. Ensure that you do not wet your entire head, just a small portion is enough. 9. Wipe your ears. Use your index fingers to wipe the inside and outside of your ears once. 10. Wash your feet. Start with the right foot, washing it up to and including the ankle 3 times. Then, repeat the same for the left foot. 11. Complete the process. After completing these steps, say the Shahada, the declaration of faith, or any other supplication you prefer, asking for forgiveness and purification. It's also a good time to make other personal dua, supplications.